Welcome, in front of me is an Honor X8 and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now to get started, pull down your notifications and extend the list of toggles, and somewhere here you'll find your hotspot toggle. For me, it is right over here. Now once you see this toggle, hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can start off by changing the password. Now the reason I recommend starting off with the password is because in your case the password will be an atrocious pile, a messy pile of just random letters and numbers. So just remove it and set up your own new password. Now it will need to have at least 8 characters in length, that can be letters or numbers, at which point you can tap OK to save it. I have already changed mine, as you can probably guess. Now next thing you can change is the device name. This will also be the name of the Wi-Fi that the device will create and once you enable a hotspot. And then below that we have more, which includes data limits. So if you want to make it so your hotspot has a specific amount of data that it can use and nothing more, you can enable it right over here. AP band will allow you to change just what kind of band you're using. I recommend sticking with a 2.4. This will ensure that whatever your device you're trying to connect to it with can utilize this. If you change this to 5, you might have older devices which just simply will not see the hotspot. So it's simpler to keep it at the older version and just lose a little bit of speed, but still have the actual peace of mind that it can always work. And from there we also have the hotspot turn off timer. I recommend keeping this on though. I would probably increase it to 10 minutes just for safety, and that would be all the things that I would change here or recommend changing. From there, whenever you want to use your hotspot, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and voila, you're good to go. Now once you're done with it, you can also turn it off yourself manually, so you don't have to wait that 10 minutes for it to turn off. So you do so by just tapping on a toggle once again. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.